somebody was asking whether I had made any videos of my SuperValk conversion. SuperValk is just converting an Interstate so that you can remove the trunk and also put it back on quickly instead of having to disassemble the whole thing. So the way to start it is to remove the trunk, which requires that you disassemble this frame assembly. And then for me to make it a SuperValk, I went ahead and put the assembly back together. I taped off 2 of the holes so that I could cut straight notches in them. I only did one side, and I'll tell you why I did that. See how the other side is not cut? I thought it would be easier to take the whole frame assembly and reinstall it with just one side notched. So here's the side that's not notched. You take the frame assembly and put over the holes, and then the other side that's notched just lays right down on top of the bolts, the studs coming out there. And then you can just stud this side. Of course, when the trunk is on here, which it will be permanently from now on, you don't have to worry about the thing falling off. If you notch both sides, you're going to have to be concerned about that to some degree because this is not a balanced unit. So anyway, that's my quick video. Hopefully that makes sense.